The GuardIAN intelligence network makes maintaining a fleet of refuge chambers easy. Should a fault occur within a refuge chamber, an alert will automatically be triggered on the GuardIAN dashboard, clearly identifying the defective chamber and the issue at hand. This real-time data transfer allows surface control to immediately alert the site maintenance crew, providing the relevant information required to rectify the problem and minimise chamber downtime. Whilst on-site maintenance staff are often trained and certified in the servicing of a refuge chamber, the internal GuardIAN VoIP phone and camera allows for outgoing calls to a Minark technical representative for more advanced troubleshooting assistance. Without GuardIAN refuge chamber monitoring, faulty chambers can often go unnoticed for lengthy periods of time. The flashing green and red strobes must be recognised by a passerby before attention is brought to surface control and to the appropriate maintenance crew. It then relies on the skill and knowledge of the maintenance crew to resolve the problem independently, which may often require several trips to the surface for parts or troubleshooting advice. The addition of GuardIAN refuge chamber monitoring means that any chamber fault can be resolved quickly and easily, eliminating impact on production and ensuring personnel safety is optimised.